Hello everyone! Today I'd like to give you a quick update on the spread Recessive Opal racing pigeon breeding project. You might remember a few months ago I introduced the first two pairs in this project, a dark check red coloured opal cock with a black hen carrying opal, and the grizzle opal cock paired to the sister of the other black hen, again carrying opal. We've had a few babies from these pairs now, so I'd like to let you know how the project is going. I'd also like to encourage you to subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss another update. The first nest was from the dark red cock, and produced this young recessive opal. The opal marks aren't as clear in the wing pattern, but are much more obvious in the tail. This bird also has a lot of bronzing in its feathers, which may be because there is a chance it also carries recessive red, but most of the bronzing should moult out. I am curious to see how this bird looks when it is older. It is a nice, interesting pigeon, but unfortunately it is not a spread recessive opal. Its nestmate wasn't a spread opal either, it was a black pied, again with a lot of bronzing which will probably molt out as the bird ages. You might be aware that the spread gene and the recessive opal gene are found on the same chromosome, which means to produce a spread opal we need a chromosomal crossover to occur, and unfortunately we didn't get one in this nest. One received the spread gene from their mother, the other received the opal gene, but neither of them got both. These birds will both be racing this year, and may return to the breeding project next year if they have success. The next nest was a single baby, and we actually did get a crossover this time. Unfortunately, the crossover went the wrong way, and the baby received neither spread nor opal from its mother, instead of both like we're hoping for. There has also been a lot of white and pied in these babies, which isn't ideal for the project. We're hoping for nice, clean, silvery grey opals. The next two babies are cousins of the previous birds, out of the other pair, fathered by the grizzle cock. They're still a little young to identify definitively, but they will be the last pair of babies in the project this breeding season. One of them looks likely to be a black baby, which leaves the other as the only option for a spread opal this breeding season. It's getting fairly late in the breeding season now in Australia, so these babies will go to race, then I'll wait until August or September to pair up again. It is a shame that we don't seem to have bred a spread opal this year, but it is a slightly difficult colour to breed when it requires a crossover. Hopefully these birds have some success racing, and we might have a little more luck next breeding season. Again, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss another update on this, or any of my other breeding projects, and be sure to check out these other videos that you might be interested in.